balanced, seasonal, varied diet, you can't go wrong with it. You know, if it's real food, if it's seasonal ideally, if it's grown without pesticides, and more important, the microbiome likes diversity. If it's as varied as possible. I think we're supposed to have at least 15 to 30 different ingredients in one meal to keep a microbiome healthy. So think about that. So we're gonna play a little bit, and we're gonna have tasting. So not eating, tasting. That means when you choose, so choose only one piece from here. And when I say one, you can have a second helping of that, but don't vary them, because you want to really focus and see, when you bite into that, what is the feeling? What are the images? What are the thoughts that come? And then we're going to try to get a little bit of description about it. Is it sweet? Is it sour? Is it umami? Is it fatty? Because I think fatty here, so it's not really fatty, but so I'm going to go around with it, and you just choose something. Don't try to think